I know our team has written about DAS being dead, and others around social media have been talking about DAS being dead. How do you respond to those comments?
Well, I think the patient is alive and well. If you look at from the venue perspective as well as the carrier's perspective, as well as from Insight's perspective, and the activity based upon venues that we're focused on, be it at different verticals from hospitality to sports entertainment, transportation, and your hospitality resorts. It's probably as busy and focused both for 2015 and looking out as I've seen in since DAS got started when I was initially doing that some 15 years ago.
And I was at PCI Wireless Infrastructure Show a couple weeks ago, and I think one of the big conversations was the applicability of DAS in smaller venues because of cost concerns. How is DAS technology changing to be more cost effective for smaller venues?
Well, I think you have to look at the technology solutions almost like a toolbox with different tools and applying different applications of technology that will support both the business model and the needs and the requirements of that venue. So from a smaller venue, it may be solely an enterprise solution, so it's very cost sensitive. And as a result, you may deploy infrastructure that is efficient from a capital standpoint, from an operating expense standpoint, where you have limited participation from, if you will, our standpoint, or from the carriers. Carriers may be just dedicating a signal source for that. But I look at each venue based upon size, scope, strategic, or first tier, second tier. As you're bringing a toolbox of both the business model and the technology solutions to that venue, and not any one venue is the same. And your, from a design criteria, your technology solution, as well as the business model that works for all parties and stakeholders involved, it varies. So, in answering your question, is DAS dead? I don't see DAS as dead. I think it, like any technology and deployment, it evolves. Much in the tower side, where you had covered sites, and now you do infill with capacity, and then you have the evolution of moving towards a data focus, in a wireless network. I think you apply that same tool to DAS. It depending upon the infrastructure, the venue type, it can be costly, but there are technology solutions that are enabling that and going forward. I think from you look at from beacon to Bluetooth to Wi-Fi to cellular. It's a holistic approach based upon what tools you have in the toolbox, and trying to be very smart and strategic, and have it be a collective decision by both the venue, the carriers, as well as ourselves that look to design and manage and invest in these venues on a long-term basis. But I'm very bullish in it, and that's my crystal ball. But my crystal ball usually only goes hour by hour, and I think if you move past that, it just promotes humility.